After you've been arraigned in your criminal case, your lawyer should be filing motions. Those motions are motions for discovery, motions in limine to preclude the state from doing certain things at trial, and motions to suppress. That means excluding certain pieces of evidence from the trial of the case. Generally speaking, you want to have motions challenging what you perceive to be the strongest parts of the state's case. You want to try to nitpick everything as well as you can through the process of filing motions and litigating motions. And certainly you want to kind of keep your eye on what you perceive to be the most valuable parts of their case. That's what motions really are for. As you lead up to the trial of the case, you're going to have calendar calls and you're going to have motion hearing dates. And most clients are really stressed out whenever they're looking at, pop up there, what it is that's going to happen at their motion hearing. At the motion hearing, you're going to have the state present, obviously, and they're probably, unless you have just some, for example, demurrer issues, which are just based on documents, if you actually have motions to suppress, you're going to have actual witnesses there. During those evidentiary hearings, it's very rare that our clients actually have to testify. In fact, the only real time that they might testify where it might be advantageous in those motions hearings are to describe, for example, how they were coerced into consenting to a search or giving a statement to the police at a station. If there was something that was really exceptional that happened there in the course of those events. But generally speaking, when you show up to a motion hearing, you're just going to be sitting there beside your lawyer. I'm going to do all the arguing. I'm going to do all the presentation of evidence that I need to the state's witnesses, and then we're going to talk to the judge about why it is that the evidence should or should not be admitted in the trial of the case. And that's what motion hearings really are about. They're trying to determine whether or not, first, the state's case should go forward, and then what evidence will or will not be admissible in the trial of the case. If you have any questions about motions, any questions about your case in general, feel free to call me. My name is Ben Sessions. My phone number is 470-225-7710. Again, 470-225-7710. Thank you.